you guys, welcome back to Marcella's Way. So as you saw from the title, today's video is going to be on metallic vinyl. Okay, so in t-shirt making, a lot of times we definitely love our metallics, golds, chromes, rose gold, all of that, because it looks absolutely amazing on black. Okay, so a lot of times when working on this chrome vinyl, it's not as easily accessible or something that you would have around like you would a red or a black or a white or whatever. So a lot of times if you have goals, especially if you are a new t-shirt maker, you have one or two sheets, okay? And you want to make sure that you are using that for the project that you have, and you don't have a pile of it sitting over somewhere, cut all up, can't be used because your cut settings are off, okay? So today we are going to do the same thing that we did with glitter vinyl. If you missed that video, go back and watch that. It's the cut settings for glitter vinyl. But we're going to do the same thing for this metallic vinyl. We're going to do a test cut. We're going to see if the settings in Silhouette Studio are right. If they are not, we're going to reset it. Let's get to it. Alright, you guys, so we're right here in Silhouette Studio, and as you see, I have like a little mock design in here, and I am on vinyl metallic in Silhouette Studio. Now I'm seeing here, this is a 1 blade with a 10 force, and I really honestly can't see how that's going to cut through this metallic, but that's the preset here, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to run a test cut, and if it cuts, we're going to keep it there. If it does not cut, we're going to reset it so it does cut, okay? So we're going to go ahead, go right here. If you don't know how to run a test cut, you just push this little button right here, and then it's going to do like a little square on your vinyl just to test it out before you do a complete cut, okay? So we're going to do a test cut real quick. So we're going to push that. Okay, you guys, so this is clearly not cut, okay? I mean, you can barely see it. You can barely see a cut. I'm going over top of it. It's barely nothing there, okay? So that is not right. So we're going to have to run it again. What we're going to do is, let's make the adjustment of taking this blade up to a 2. Okay, so we're going to raise this up gradually. We're going to take this up to a 2, and then we're going to raise this number here up to a 15 force. Okay, so we're going to take it up to a 2, raise it to a 15 force, and see what that does. All right, let's go. Okay, so I decided that I want to do, I decided that it's best for us to just go, keep it on the 1 blade, and then take it from a 10 up to a 30. Okay, so we're going to keep it on the same, and then we're going to just inch up the force a bit. All right, so let's just see what that gets us. Okay, so we're going to do another test cut. I changed the sheet around so it is cutting a different corner. Okay, you guys, so I did the 1 blade on a 30 force, and it still did not cut, which makes me believe that I definitely have to take this up to a 2 blade, or maybe even more. So I'm gonna put it on a 2 blade, and then I'm going to drop the force down to 20. Okay, so we're going to inch this up. So I'm going to take it up to a 2 blade, and we'll try that out. Okay, you guys, so that 2 blade still didn't work. Okay, so now it's time to get aggressive. because something is not working here. So we're gonna have to we are going to have to move it up to a 3, and let's take it to about a 25. Now, as you saw, this is the setting that is in the software, and a 1 didn't work, a 2 clearly didn't work. So now we're going to a 3. So that is a huge difference. So let's test out the 3 with the 25 force and see what that does. All right, and so it cut much better. Oh, sorry you guys, it's hard to weed with one hand. All right, so as you see, it came up perfectly fine. Okay, so that again is a 3 blade with a 27 force. Okay, all right you guys, so as you saw, that that definitely proved why this series is very important, because that would have been 3 sheets of vinyl that you would have wasted, or 3 pieces of vinyl that you would have wasted trying to get the cut setting right. The setting in the silhouette system is 1 on the 10, so it's 1 blade on the 10 force. It went all the way from 1 blade on a 10 force to a 3 blade on a 27 force in order to get it to cut properly. Okay, so hopefully that helps you. Hopefully that will keep you from having to make that same mistake and waste a lot of product. And I'm hoping that you got a chance to see the last video. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Also, we're going to be doing some transferring of patterns and different metallics and different things like that. So we're going to be working on different settings and transfers for a while. So you guys stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure that you do so. And make sure that you come over and follow me on Instagram. If you have any questions after you watch the videos on this channel, then I will be more than happy to help you. But you have to make sure that whatever question that you have, you check on the channel first. Make sure that there isn't already an answer to the question on the channel. And then if there is an answer that I can help you with, I definitely will. I try my hardest to answer every question with the video. So make sure you're strolling through my library of videos to see if you see an answer to your question before you come to Instagram, okay? All right, so thank you guys for coming back to Marcella's Way. And as usual, I have a my way so I can inspire you to have it your way.